Hello, my friends and fellow traders and investors. How are we on this manic Monday, July 28th, 2025? Coming at you hot and heavy. Heavy. I'm just playing, yes. I hope everybody had a great weekend. We are getting closer and closer, my friends, to being able to hang out with each other much, much more. It is ever so closely. I give it less than a month away of my move, big move. I've been taking extra time off, spending every moment I can to doing work, getting it ready to get to the new location, which will get set up with some Wi-Fi. Yes, indeed, my friends, and some gorgeous bandwidth connection, if you know what I'm saying. So let's get into it. I hope everybody enjoyed my S&P update video. S&P 500, it's old news. It's old news. There's nothing to talk about it. I mean, do what you want, but I'm not tooting my own horn. I'm just saying it's nice to see after 4 years in this, having such a gorgeous, clean trade like we had on the S&P 500 this year. Absolutely beautiful. It was gorgeous. And I did a little recap on Friday. I appreciate everybody who popped in and watched that. That video got 8 views. That's what I'm talking about. Hey man, your video only got 8 views. That's pathetic, bro. Man, you sad, man. Hey, I'm grateful for every view I get. Okay, because believe you me, I've gone months and months and weeks and a year with only getting 1 view, 2 view, 3 view on a video. So anything over 2, I'm ecstatic. I'm dancing in my seat. So Target, we're talking about Target right now. Why are we talking about Target? Because we're not going to keep going over the same old every day. All right, that gets old, my friends. There's no opportunity. If you're trading the NASDAQ every day, that's what you're trading, the NASDAQ, up and down, up and down, up and down, then you must be a scalper. Okay, you must not be swing trading at all, because if you're trading one pair consistently over and over and over again, okay, you must be scalping that. There's no way. You must be day trading that, okay? You're not swing trading that, okay? Because opportunity is everywhere in the market, and you have to look across the board to make money. Target, we had our target idea. Maybe chat can tell me when the last time we had our target video, 2 weeks ago, I don't know. But I had mentioned target is now my new idea. It is a new idea. Second half of the year, what can we do? How can we make money in the second half of the year? Okay. Target was one of those ideas. Okay. We've already, seems to me, I'm just saying, seems to me we're kind of breaking out of this consolidation area we were down here. Our last video, we were discussing how this area between 90 and 100, you see this area right here, it just keeps bang, 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 bing, 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 like a pinball machine. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, that's a consolidation area. There's a lot going on there. There's a lot going on, but it's not going anywhere. Okay, that is the telltale sign of a consolidation area. So that is the opportunity to where you can put your edge, so to speak, to work for you. Okay? We're consolidating down here. Okay? We've been going down for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks. So on a simple edge you can have as a reversal trader is just to say, okay, we have gone down for weeks upon weeks. So much punishment has happened to the downside. And here we are down here at this psychological number of $100 a share, and we just keep ping-ponging, consolidating between 90 and 100. This is looking like the market is giving us a sign that this is the flat, bottomed out, boring consolidation area. If the market's boring, it's trying to tell you something. Okay? So the market's boring here. Our last video, I had just discussed, okay, placing an order for $100 a share on target. My get out moment is 86, this low over here. Okay, sure, that's an obvious stop. Sure, I'm more than likely for it to be taken out. But the probability is in my favor because we had this flat consolidation area and we have been going down for so long. And here we are, a couple weeks later, we're at 106. So, not too shabby, my friends. Look like the market's going in our favor. Looks like Target is going to be our second half of the year gorgeous looking trade. Okay? And if you think about, I mentioned this in the Target video a couple weeks ago. As far as a risk to reward ratio, because this is a business of risk. And if you can't handle the risk, why are you here? Leave. This is a risky industry, okay? And the more risk you're able to eliminate, the more success you will find. And this trade is simple for the risk-reward ratio, as I mentioned a couple weeks ago, because we purchase at $100. Our stop loss, so to speak, our get out moment is 85, 88, let's say, just below 86. So right there is simple math. I'm risking 14%. Okay? So if I put $1,000 down on this position at $100 a share, I buy 10 shares and $100, I'm willing to risk $140. If it goes down to $86, okay, I'm out. My trading idea was incorrect. No big deal. I lost $140. Not a big deal, okay? That's okay. The potential here is to take out all this liquidity above 160. This would be a gorgeous take profit point, 158, 160. So let's say 160, I have it drawn up here at 165. That's a little high looking at it now. Just taking out this liquidity up here at 160 is perfect. This swing high up here. So on this setup, the risk reward is I'm risking 14% to make 60%. That's a no-brainer. That's gorgeous. That's a little over 3 to 1. That's like 4.8 to 1, to be honest with you. So this position, $1,000, if I can either A, lose 140, okay, I lost, no big deal, or B, make 600. And it's that simple. And I just hold it. I have conviction. I stick with it. I hold it. And just see what pans out. This has a lot to do, the reason that I got into this position, it has a lot to do with the Dollar General position, which played out gorgeously for us. Okay? It's a fundamental thing. Target. Everybody knows Target. Okay? Are you of the belief that Target is, it's been going along with the market the past year and a half of the downtrend, okay? And now it seems like it's starting to reverse a little bit, Okay. Are you of the belief that there's more downtrend to come? Fundamentally, do you believe that Target is just ruined? A terrible game plan of a business? A horrible store? I disagree. Because to me, it just seems like Target is not going anywhere anytime soon. So that gives me another edge on thinking the probabilities are in my favor. That's one edge. And the other edge is fundamentally Target's not going anywhere. Target always has people going shopping at Target. I love the females out there. Females love Target. I don't know what it is about Target that they love, but Target gets no shortage of attention on social media on women loving to go shop at Target. I don't know why there isn't a Target really close to me. Me and my crew, we tend not to shop there very often. It's been years. But Target is just always hopping. Just like Dollar General. Every time I go by a Dollar General in my area where I live, there's always people shopping at Dollar General. I'm not seeing Dollar Generals closing down, at least not where I live. Five Below trade, same deal. Always busy. So with that fundamental in mind, that's another conviction I have on Target making this gorgeous play to revisit 160. And if you think about it, 160 is not asking for dreams. Your high was 242. 242 down to 100, pulling back up to 160. Okay, that's not even recovering 50% of its loss. That's only recovering like 42% of its loss. So Target is a no-brainer to me. It's looking gorgeous. It's bouncing off the quarterly trend. It's giving us that sign. It's giving us the signs. The market will always hint to you, hey, I might do this. I might do this. Okay, so if it's giving you that hint and you've seen that happen before, you've seen those hints and those mannerisms play out, all you can do is go with it. I love everybody. I hope everybody has a gorgeous week. Not sure how much content we'll put out this week. We'll try to get some Forex updates out there. I love everybody, and we will see everybody on the next video. Please like and subscribe. Peace.